Well guys, I'm here with the other joystick to test. I'm going to test Street Fighter in MS-DOS, their 486DX4 100 MHz. As you've already seen in the previous videos, I've put the Creative CD player together with the Creative sound card. I'm here with the MS-DOS screen. I don't have Windows. I'm going to position the camera here again. That's it. I'm going to create a folder, Command MD Street. It's there. CD Street command. It's down here. I already have pkzip too. pkzip, which is for compressing, and pkunzip for decompressing. The file I have here, it's in zip. We call it zipped. SF2 here. Then I'll copy it. Copy SFI. Exit point for C. The part is already open. So already, copy para SFI, copy tudo ponto zip. I spelled it wrong here, all dot zip to C. Copying to C2 dots. And I'm going to unzip this file, C2 dots now. I'm already in the Street folder. I already have pkunzip on the way. It's in the MS-DOS folder, in the patch. And I'm just going to unzip it here, pkunzip, SFI zip, that's it, I'll unzip it. It's already detected the processor, it's also detected the memories. Unzipping Street Fighter, it's a small game, 3 megabytes, even smaller than the Lion King. So let's see the executable here. It won't have a configuration file here. I'll have to go in and the SF2 configuration. Run it. There's Street Fighter 2. The music isn't original. You can see the joystick in my hand. I'm going to calibrate the joystick now. It probably won't work. Let's see. I'm going into option mode here. Calibrate. Yes, the second joystick appeared, but I don't want the second joystick. I'm connected to the sound card. Today I'm using the sound card. Yeah, I don't know what happened there, but come on, I'll go back to the start screen and start the game. Let's see what happens now. I don't know, because I haven't played yet. Here to write the name there. What a cool guy, Street Fighter. I don't remember playing Street Fighter then. In 16 years I worked at Foporama. In 17 years, I didn't even know it existed. Then I'm going to play with Ryu Street Fighter MS-DOS. It's recording. It's actually reading. Please wait. Reading the level. Now let's see the buttons here, how it's going to work. Yeah, down, defending. Jumping on the analog itself. Oops, up here, kick boy. You've made a jump, huh? But funny, the buttons. It's too fast? It's too fast. Maybe it's... Yeah, I'm only using the top buttons. I think you have to configure the keys. It's messy there. I think you have to configure it. I think I need to configure the keys. Boring music, huh? I've lost it. Let me see if I have to configure the keys there. I'm going to choose Ken now. I'm playing with a joystick. Note that this key punch also, and the bottom keys don't hit at all. They don't hit at all. Oops, you punched here. Now, I don't know if there's any way to play, but he switched from punching to kicking. Out of nowhere. I don't know what the hell it is. There are some buttons here that I don't even know if they work. I think they're just decorations. A punch here. It doesn't make sense. Very bad. I didn't like it. I didn't like it. It's good for making videos, but I didn't like it. I found the commands here too complicated. No punches, no kicks. Let's see if he gives the Hadouken. Oh, it changed the punch out of nowhere. Kick. Yeah, I didn't like it. I didn't like it. I confess to you that I didn't like it. Nice running on MS-DOS. But I didn't like it. I don't like it. I don't know if it's the control. Maybe it works better on the keyboard. Right? So that's it. Just for us. Play. I'm with you.